God. This shit be smelling so good. It's behind me. I'm not kidding you. I'm telling you, this is just like a cartoon. I want to follow my nose to that damn smell. Oh, yeah, there's some barbecue. There's something going on. There you have it. Yeah, I did my little walk through and I'm chillaxing, doing my thing. Fuck. I'm so far away. Should have stayed here. It's too late now. Fuck. Truck's falling apart. Wintertime. What the fuck? And, well, it is what it is. I might do. Yeah, I get to find out that now we're gonna change and it'll be something totally different, so I know what I am. Contract labor, and I'm fucking good at it. You can't get no faster than me. I don't need ropes. I can fly. I can fly. Yes, I can. Bird! Where you at, bird? Man, it's been years. I'm talking about years. Mike Turner. Man, I hope you're alive, dude. I really do. I searched for you, and I can't find you. Your mom and dad's phone, that shit changed, so, well. But peace to you, man. Life's a beach. Enjoy.